North side, foolish, shawty, you gotta start stick. Heard she wasn't lame.
Hey guys, it's Editing Alyssa, and I just wanted to say before I get on with this video that I'm really sorry. This video is compiled clips of like 2 different trips I had that were really close together, and I did bad vlogging on both of those trips, so I'm really sorry, but this video is kind of entertaining, so I thought I'd still like upload it, and I did take the effort into editing it as well. But I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. I will do my best to put out more content for you guys in the next couple weeks.
I wish you loved yourself just a little bit more. I wish you saw what I saw, girl, you're a star. I miss some pretty lips, Victoria's Secret, way they shine after giving me a kiss. I've never met a girl who do it like you do. In the backseat, girl, like we used to. I still remember the very first night. So long to yesterday. I might not love you tomorrow. We'll go our separate ways, but I'll still see you in our photos.
Let me just open it.
It looks like latex, but
It feels... Wait, why didn't you just read it?
it's high quality latex.
It's high quality latex.
Okay.
Why? You want to get one for Derek?
Yeah, because you got a USC one. Do you know what I mean?
You can just get them one if they're cheap. How much are they? If they're under...
15 bucks.
I was gonna say. They're not that bad. Jared, they don't got your size.
Small is fine.
That's what a lot of people say to make themselves feel better about
Okay, I
themselves.
think I like this one though.
Okay, yeah, I like that one too.
Hey, die vind ik wel leuk, maar die zonder de kaart voor
Jared, are you small?
Apparently not. I like that one though.
That one looks like something you'd wear, Mom.
I know.
It's a bib. Okay, so we found this sweatshirt, right? And we found it, there's a small and there's a medium, right? So then the small fit Jared really well, right? And then Mom's like, no, get a medium. So Mom literally takes this small from Jared, puts it back, and then we realize that he doesn't want the medium. So we go back for the small, and the small's gone. And Mom goes, it was meant to be. And then, it was meant? The universe said we didn't want it, and then Jared's like, bro, there's one left, and someone took it after me.
Probably this one.
Oh my god, it's a crew neck.
Can Karina wear one and you wear one?
And then I got this one.
Is that the medium? Oh, do you like the monkey? I like the monkey. Oh, and then, dude, all of like the ones that he wanted are like the champion, like thinner ones that aren't as good quality as like these. So we were looking for those, but all of the good ones and mediums were gone.
Jared, I hope you still see it.
Okay, so then we literally took like an hour at like the hoodies because we couldn't decide which one we wanted. Jared wanted. We just sat down like 10 minutes. Well, right when you text us, we sat down.
I hope you like other ones in there because
What?
I was gonna get you one for your birthday.
Oh yeah, we wanted this one in a hoodie.
Okay.
We wanted, yeah, they had smaller extra large for that one. Why does it rain so many times?
Yeah. Karina's gonna be the 25, the 23.
That's so embarrassing.
Okay, hold on. We have to go really far for both of you.
Dude, you got like decent lighting here.
Like, bro, though, he should. It was like kind of freaky. He should be. So I.
Hey guys, it's Thursday. It's 8:24, and we are currently in my sister's college apartment right now. My sister and my brother are going to the same college, and it's orientation this week. We're just gonna hang out. Right now I have the apartment to myself because my mom walked my brother to orientation and my sister's at work. So I need to be ready by 9 to go to this like little town near Santa Barbara. So yeah. Gonna be listening to my dopamine playlist on Spotify. You guys should follow me on Spotify. Hey guys, so let me do a little fit check because I love my outfit today. First of all, we have these necklaces from Urban Outfitters along with this t-shirt also from Urban Outfitters. It's so cute. These jeans are from American Eagle. I have Crocs on. I'll probably switch later. Apple Watch, silly bands, and then me and my brother have an inside joke about this bracelet. So hey guys, so I'm currently in the kitchen. I think I'm just gonna toast myself an Eggo because I honestly like don't know what else to make. I don't know if it lights up. Dude, my sister's like little apartment is so cute. There's so many like plants. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure that my sister said she had maple syrup somewhere, but I can't find it and it kind of looked everywhere. So it's probably in a really obvious spot that I just cannot seem to find. But I'm having an Eggo without any maple syrup. Still waking up right now, so kind of just like in a daze. But finished eating breakfast. I don't know if I already said that, but it's currently 9:30. My mom's heading back in a bit, and I'm just gonna chill here in my sister's. I just can't get over how cute it is. I love it. How was your walk?
A lot.
Hey guys, okay, so it's almost 4 o'clock right now, and I'm kind of just like chilling in my sister's living space. Haven't really been doing much lately after we got back, but we're just gonna wait until my sister gets back from work and then we're gonna do something. Don't really know what we're gonna do, but yeah. I'm sorry guys, I've been doing a horrible job on vlogging, but it is day 3 and my sister's at work and my mom is walking on the beach. So as she did that, I got ready. Today we just plan on shopping and just having fun, but I'm pretty sure we have to have breakfast here, so I'm gonna make a breakfast again.
We keep going out.
Alright guys, it's haul time. So the first place that I went to is PacSun and Cotton On, so those are gonna be kind of mixed in. But basically I got this tote bag just because at Cotton On everything was like $1 to $7, so it was really cheap. First of all, I got this tote bag and it just has a little sun on it. I got this hat, which was only $2. It says Palm Beach 1997. It's just in this like nice royal blue color. And my sister got matching one. Okay, then I got this shirt and it has 2 little smiley faces on it. Tank top, and it's just this bright pink rib tank top. I think it's so cute. I don't have like anything remotely like this, so I thought that that was pretty cool. And then from PacSun I got these like sweat shorts because they're hella soft and hella comfortable. So yeah, they're by Playboy. And from Brandy Melville, the first thing I got was this tank top, and it's just this white tank top. It has buttons and it's like detailed. And then I got this tank top, and it's just this green tank top with buttons as well. I got these sweatpants. They look like this. They're just dark gray. I got this skirt, and it's just like a tie skirt, and it's really pretty. It's like a floral pattern. I really like it. And yeah, that's it for my haul. Besides that, I also just got some stickers and some pins.